Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. Follow these easy steps to do it, and the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. First of all, go to your WhatsApp and tap on this three dot. Tap on settings. Once you are in your WhatsApp account settings page, here tap on privacy. Under privacy, you will find read receipts. So when it's turned on, anyone will be able to see that you read their messages in WhatsApp chats or groups. So all you have to need to turn off read receipts, just disable this option from here. And when it's turned off, you won't send or receive read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.